everyone, thanks for checking out my channel. My name is Katia. I also go by Kat for those who have trouble pronouncing it. My food blog is WholeMadeLiving. My husband and I love cooking and creating food together, and that's how my website came about. I started it part-time back in 2014, and now I'm back at it full-time in 2022. My husband and I pretty much bonded over food way back on our first date in Venice Beach, California. On my site and on my YouTube channel, I share simple, easy to make recipes from scratch. We have a few chickens on our growing homestead, and a schnoodle who's my kitchen sidekick during the day. Here he is. This is Wolfie, short for Wolfgang, like Wolfgang Puck, one of our favorite chefs. Even though Wolfie doesn't help me in the kitchen, he's at my feet all day just waiting for me to drop some food. I hope you subscribe to my channel and check out my food blog at WholeMadeLiving.com. Happy cooking to you all from Northern Kentucky.